Could a reality show premiere pack this much relationship chaos and scandalous drama into a single episode? As Summer House fans transition to the highly anticipated spin-off Asterisk in the City, the cast wastes no time diving headfirst into their tumultuous personal lives, making for an explosive first impression. Amanda and Kyle's marriage is officially on the rocks, with a therapist accusing them of hating each other, and Kyle questioning Amanda about an emotional affair during their separation. Meanwhile, Lindsay Hubbard navigates new motherhood and introduces her inner circle, but the real fireworks ignite with the dramatic return of Danielle Oliveira, who reveals a whirlwind new romance. However, the icy tension between former besties Lindsay and Danielle is palpable, escalating into a full-blown feud as Lindsay pulls out receipts that hint at past betrayals. But the absolute bombshell drops when Amanda reveals a jaw-dropping secret about Danielle's new partner. He's reportedly still married. This exclusive insight into the Bravo universe is pure gold for gossip fans. Clearly, New York brings even more drama than the Hamptons, leaving us all desperate for more juicy details. For all the latest tea and exclusive celebrity scoops, make sure you hit that subscribe button.
Be in the know with Hollywood gossip. Subscribe for comprehensive coverage.